So hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today is 14 February, if I'm not wrong again. So actually, today's video is very different. The reason being, if you haven't watched my latest video, so in that video I told that I'm gonna change the content and the format of my channel. So you can consider this video as a change. Like in this video, I'm going to show you completely different thing apart and the usually I don't show. So today Afan is coming and we are gonna discuss some business stuff together, including everything, almost everything. So I will give you the context later, but let me show you something else. So if you remember, so in last video I told you that I'm going to attempt a challenge in Ramadan where I will be making reels and uploading those reels daily. So I updated this a little and this is like the final result. So firstly, per day one reel daily uploads. Obviously this is the channel, that's why. Gym 4 days a week. Now when it comes to gym, so I don't know about Ramadan, like how do you do gym, because it's my first time I'm doing that in Ramadan. So I don't know if I will switch to 4 day split, like upper body, lower body, or I will continue to follow the Arnold split. So I will see with regarding that. But for now, I'm just considering that as a 4 days per week plus Spanish daily. I was learning Spanish, but then after a few times I left it. So I'm now going to do that again, book reading and business stuff. Now regarding the business stuff, so there are a lot of things, and I don't know which thing I'm going to do specifically. I don't know regarding that, but today a fun is coming. So maybe then I will show, then I will tell you, and like after discussing, then I will tell you that what we are gonna do, because we split the things together. So that's why we will see about these things, and I guess let's wait for him to come, and he will arrive around like in 15 or 20 minutes. So as he will come, and then I will show you.
2 hours later.
So here we are with Affan Kashif.
Yep, I'm
Sir,
back.
he's back after
Almost 1 month.
almost 1 month. Like since 1 month, our channel was dying, and now you are here. So I hope my channel will grow again. So basically, he came here around one hour ago, right? Almost 1 hour ago.
Yeah.
And we discussed a lot of things, obviously. So one of them was regarding our Instagram page. You wanna discuss or I do?
Well, we were making our Instagram page more reachable for the clients so we can do cold outreaching, and we were removing the logo and changing it to our own photos so that it doesn't look like that it's a bot account or something and it's a real account which is operated by real people. That's what we were doing.
So basically, here as you can see on your screen, this is our current Instagram page, and the problem is that basically when we made this account, we made with the intention to just show that we are, as a company, we are this. So now we have done some research regarding this thing, and now we have decided that we will change this account as our personal accounts. For example, when we will be reaching, when we will reach clients, so they don't think that we are bot or something. They definitely think that we are real people talking to them. So we will put our profile pictures, we'll put our pictures. We might take so many pictures of us, showcasing our work, showcasing our case studies and all those things. So this is how we are going to do that, and definitely I will update that in the vlog as well. Now second thing that we have is basically freelancing. So there are basically two things at the moment, which is client and the service. So that thing is very detailed thing, I guess. I cannot explain right now.
Yeah.
So let's keep this for the practical day. When we will do the practical, I will show that. And what's the third thing? Website. So currently, if you go on my website, it's pixelweb.com. I don't know for how long it's available right now, but we are gonna end this right now. The reason being, when we started this agency, we started, obviously we made the website as well because of the reputation that we are this, and we didn't realize that we wouldn't get any attention of the people, because obviously it's a brand new website. We didn't do any SEO kind of thing or anything. So that's why we are just turning our website off, so we don't have to pay for the hosting, because we have invested so much money as well. So basically, the thing that we are going to do right now, it's not the new thing. It's not the new thing for us, it's the like common thing for us. But for specifically kind of vlogging thing, I'm doing this thing. So website, for the website thing, it's not like we are not gonna upload, like we are not gonna make our website. Currently we are finding the data. Let me show you the screen here. As you can see on your screen, this is our current website. It will be vanished after 2 weeks or so, and then we will make new website after collecting so many data, after collecting case studies, after collecting reviews and all. So in that case, if someone reaches to us, they will think that yep, this is genuine website, this is genuine people, and they will really work with us.
Right.
Anything you want to say about that?
Yeah, because the website is relatively irrelevant for now because we don't really need the website and it's money consuming for us to continue the website. We will remake the website even better after some time working without the website for now.
Hmm. Because basically we will be reaching out to the clients through email and Instagram outreach. For now we have these ways because of that. The reason being, basically we live in Pakistan, so we have tried contacting to people in Pakistan, and they are not responsible at all. Not responsible at all. Like from the through cold outreach, we have tried that unlimited times. I can show you the videos as well. So it's not like we are not going, we are not thinking about the email thing, but in Pakistan it doesn't work a lot, but in foreign countries it does work. So obviously if we are doing cold calls in outside countries, it definitely gonna charge us, and we just don't want to spend any money, so we will keep the like outreaching through emails and Instagram outreach. I guess
Yeah.
these kind of outreach we are gonna do.
Yeah.
Anything else remaining?
Mm, no, I think that was it.
So I guess that was it. I hope you like the video. If you have any kind of feedback and if you watch till the end, just give me the reviews. I hope you like the video. See you in the next one. Bye.